everyone, I would like to record this video to give you some instructions on how to use Discord for your live conversations. When you join Eduling Everyday English, you will get to this page. And when you click on Welcome and Rules, you will see some very basic rules for our group. Please read them to understand what rules we need to follow. Then when you click on topics and questions, you will see a list of questions and a video. In order to prepare for a live discussion, you should watch the video in advance so that you can learn something new from the video. And then you should look at the questions and prepare for them before you join the live discussion so that you have a good conversation. You can click on communication strategies to learn about some strategies that you can use to have a good conversation. If you want to ask a question to the teacher, then you can type a question here. You can also chat with other participants by going to chat room. And then when you want to talk live with other participants, you're gonna join a voice channel here. These days, we have a live session every Monday. So at a particular time when you come here, other students will be here and other participants will be here. And first, you can go to the common room so that you can hear from me as a teacher, or you can just talk quickly with other students. After you're ready, you can jump to one of these groups here. For example, there's one participant in this group, and you can click here, and then you are here in this group with another student, and then you can start talking with him or with her here. There are many different groups here, so you can choose which group to join, but the key is to choose a group with people in it so that you can talk with other people. You see number 3 here. It means that the maximum number of people in the group is 3. So if you see 1 person there, it means that 2 more can join. If you see 2, it means 1 more person can join. And if you see 3, it means that the group is already full. So you're gonna have to go to another group. So that's it. It's actually pretty simple. We meet every Monday these days to have a live conversation. But when you go to the server here, when you come here and you see someone else is here, you can text that person to see if they want to talk, and then you can start a conversation. So it doesn't have to be on Monday, but on Monday, if you come, then there is guarantee that there will be people here to talk with you. So see you next time. Bye.